What's up, Umbares? Guys, we're in Solera today in Lakewood Ranch, October 9th, okay? October 9th, day one. Check it out, guys. We're here, we're building a pool. Not only are we building a pool here, guys, we're building like 3 other pools today. We're starting, all right? So today, we scraped all this grass off. The guys, they started digging the other pool. They're gonna come back now and they're gonna start digging this pool, okay? By the end of the day, there's gonna be a hole in the ground. It's gonna be framed up. All right, we're gonna start the rebar. You know, we may even shoot this thing with gunite. Who knows? You know, at Umbare, anything is possible. All right, look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful property, okay? This is gonna be our exciting pool. This is a wonderful pool, okay? This pool is gonna have a great swim space and it's gonna accent this beautiful lake that you see here with this nice fountain water that you have, all right? Today's October 9th, guys. Let's see how long this one's gonna take. Let's go! Let's go, Umbare! Still day one, guys. We don't stop on Umbare, okay? We just don't stop. We're going crazy today. All right, today's October 9th, day one, 6:33 p.m. We're still working. We're wrapping this job up. All right, this job is in Solera. Okay, we started this morning. Look, guys, look what we have here. Already framed up, dug out, okay, drain line's already in. Now this is gonna be, we're gonna start the rebar tomorrow and get this thing shot with gunite to the next day. This is how we roll out of Umbare, okay guys? This is day one in Solera and Lakewood Ranch. Look at us, okay? This is what, I'm getting confused on how many pools we did today. 4 or 5, I have no idea, but we're going like crazy, guys. Let's go! What's up, Umbares? Guys, check it out. Today is October 20th, okay? October 20th. We started this pool on October 9th. That is 11 consecutive days ago, all right? So now, if you take out the weekends, that's just 9 business days. 9 business days, guys, and we already have a pool in the ground, tile done, coping done, pool plumbing's done, electrical's done, everything's done, guys. And check it out. We already have everything delivered, ready to go as usual. The pavers are going to be started tomorrow, okay? We have all the paver sand here, all the paver materials here, our debris containers here, our portable restrooms are here as usual. We are ready to rock and roll and get this job done at the speed of light, guys. Okay, 9 days. Check out our other reels and videos online. Okay, this is not the only pool we're building. Okay, we're building 5 at the same time, at the same speed of light. Okay, we're in our own realm of reality. Okay, these other people are distorted in their own time dilation that we created. Okay, we're in the future. Okay, do you guys want to work with the future and be in your own reality? Or you want to work in the past and be stuck in a black hole and disaster with all these other pool builders? Okay, our 1 day is equivalent to 1 week with the other guys. Okay, this is how we roll on Umbare. Let's go! What's up, Umbares? Guys, check it out. Today is October 23rd, okay, October 23rd. We started this pool on October 9th, okay? That is only 14 consecutive days ago. And guess what, guys? Wait a minute. You take out the weekends, it's only 10 business days, guys. And this pool is a wrap, okay? This job is almost done. Okay, they're gonna come in today, they're gonna do the pool prep, okay, maybe today, tomorrow, and then do the pool interior the next day. So this is gonna be swimming either Wednesday or Thursday, and this pool's done, okay? In days. Okay, only at Umbare are we doing this, okay? And wait a minute, guys, look at this. It's like a black hole. Whoa, they're going in slow motion. Ah. I don't want to get sucked into that black hole, and neither do you guys. Let's go with Umbare. Let's go! What's up, Umbare? Guys, what a way to finish the day up. Tuesday, October 24th. Another pool done. We started this on October 9th. That's just 15 consecutive days ago. Take out the weekends. That's 11 days. 11 days. And this pool's done. Guys, when we put the pool interior in, that's it. That's the last day. We're going to go ahead and drop the water hose in this thing. And tomorrow this pool will be full. Started up, ready to go. Everything else is done, guys. This is how we roll. And guys, look over there. It's a freaking ghost town still. The one in the black hole in slow motion. It's literally nobody there. Look at this. This is what you get with the other pool builders. They've been there. They started that pool before this lady closed on her house. Do you realize how long that is? Before she even closed on this house. and she's already done in 11 days. Guys, I'm exhausted making these videos. I'm getting bored doing this already. Show me a challenge. Let's go!